2 minutes, and we're going live. Friday. Welcome back. Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. Here we go. Friday. Bitcoin's crashing. We're going to go down to $30,000. That's it. Sell it all. Panic. Run. Everybody hide. Take cover. I can't stand it. The price is going down. What am I going to do? Welcome back, guys. Happy Friday. Don't panic. Prices are coming down a little bit. Got some news. Bitcoin's breaking right now. Can we touch $50,000? Yes. Absolutely, we could. Guys, I'm going to even say it, and I tweeted it out earlier today. We could hit 48K. I wouldn't care. We need to wick there. If we're gonna hit that, it needs to be a wick. I don't want to see a full body candle close. Now, if we do, we go lower, but 6 days into September, they do call it Rectember. Wrecked. I'm getting wrecked in timber. That is for a reason, and you're experiencing it right now. But there's good reasons for it. So we're going to talk about why we're breaking down, what some of the targets are. I'm also going to highlight some of the other comments by some of the other bigger names in the crypto space today and see if I agree or disagree with what the thoughts are. Because one of the things we do need to do, and I say this phrase a lot, take the temperature in the room. You got to be able to take the temperature in the room. Psychology is tied into these markets, and if you can kind of read the room, you can kind of start to understand where the market is going to go and kind of what needs to happen. And I personally think I've got a pretty good grasp on that right now. I think I know what's coming next, personally. So let's talk about it. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. No, not panicking today. In fact, looking forward to the paycheck later this month. Actually, a nice paycheck coming for me later this month, which I'll be able to buy these big, beautiful red candles before some giant monstrosity green candles that I think is coming. So let's hop in here, guys. I'm gonna get a little sip of water and look at Bitcoin. I shaved my face. I got rid of the whiskers on the sides. What do you guys like? You guys like the beard or the goatee better? I want some feedback in the comments down below. I don't know. I'm changing it up. Back to the goatee. And Bitcoin's changing it up too, coming a little bit lower today. So down 5% in the last 24 hours. No problem. It's fine. It's fine. It is fine. Down 8.35% over the last 7 days. September's red, guys. Ethereum's back down to 2,200. I'm not going to be surprised if we even continue lower here. If Bitcoin dips down to 50, Ethereum can break back down below 2K again. Everybody's been warning about altcoin reckoning. Bitcoin dominance coming higher. Here we are. And if you look, over the last 7 days, we've got one coin up two coins up double digits, but we have many, many more coins down double digits over the last 7 days. Today, we do have a couple coins up. Sats, a meme on BRC20, Dogs, the Toncoin coin, still down over the week though. Sui, its own network, up a little bit randomly. Helium's actually doing really, really well. I wonder what's going on with Helium. Maybe I should be looking at like what the news is with Helium. I'm not quite sure. But if you do look over the last, or what's the 24 hours here? A couple coins are down. Really, actually, this is actually surprising. The biggest loser today is Dogecoin. No, Doge. 7%, 6%. Look at Bitcoin today. Down 6%. Actually, altcoins are holding tremendously. Oh, but that's not Bitcoin. Down 4.85%. Yeah, altcoins are crashing a little bit more than Bitcoin, but not by much. Not by much, which is actually quite surprising. Quite surprising. Philip Parrott is asking what I'm buying. I'll talk about that. I'll talk a little bit about that. We'll get into that. But here's the deal, guys. Let's look at some of the data and just see what's the scoop right now. Actually, we haven't looked at the liquidation heat map in a while. Let's take a peek at that. John316, shout out to you. You're looking to get more Crow, man. Looking forward to the time where that coin gets to go back up. We're just waiting on an altcoin rally that has not come yet, my friends. So here we go, guys. Now let's look at this. You've got, man, billions of dollars. This is 11 billion, 20 billion at 33K. You've got 20 billion, 17 billion, 18. You got like $50 billion up here that could get short squeezed. And you got a little less down here. And then you get some more really, really low. We're not going back down to 25K, I don't think. I don't think we're coming that low. But we could certainly tap down to this $50,000 price level again. So much money's in this market. It's crazy the amount of liquidations that can happen, guys. Crazy the amount of liquidations that can happen. But where majority of the money is probably the more likely spot for us to go, okay? And that is to the upside still. There you go. You like the goatee. All right. Good, good, good. A little more bummish, maybe, without the goatee. Fair enough. Fair enough. But anyway, I mean, this is signaling that we are supposed to go up. Yes, fine. We're red right now. That's fine. That's fine. I also want to remind you guys this. This is one that kind of gets me every time I look at it. Where the heck is it? I'm looking for, there it is, the Bitcoin bubble index. Guys, look at that. We still haven't had the moment where the green comes back up, like we're not seeing bullish indicators yet. Like, we haven't seen the bubble here for Bitcoin. Every bull market we have. Price cycle top indicator as well. Like, guys, if you think that we're not going to go, like, back above or close to the top of this green band, we've only touched the top of the green band once. In every bull market, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. We blasted through it. Then we have, next bull market, 1, 2, over, right? We've only even gotten to it once in this bull market. I mean, we've still got, by all metrics, by all charts, so much bull market less. Anybody that's selling all their crypto and like it's calling a bear market right now, I think it's stupid. I think it's stupid to be calling it over. It's dumb. If I'm wrong, I'll be dumb. Fine. I don't think I'm wrong. I'm not giving financial advice. I don't do that. But look, September's red. If you're surprised, then you haven't watched every single live stream that everybody in crypto, or any videos from any crypto influencers, because guys, I mean, the average is what it is. It's not a good month. So, you know, let's talk about the big move that you know, $50,000 in October, November again, because things have changed. The equation has changed. Let's talk a little bit about it. Bitcoin's falling today below $54,000. Why? The jobs data. The jobs data came out this morning, and it wasn't that great. 34 viewers, by the way, 9 likes. Do me a favor, guys. Just tap that like button for me. It helps tremendously in the YouTube algorithm, and I'm keeping the content coming to you guys every single day with my partner on this channel, Black Sea. And we're giving away a loaded lion soon, because now we're at 25,000 subscribers, and I owe you guys that loaded lion. It's sitting in my wallet. I'm excited to give it away. We just got to figure out how to do the drawing, because we kind of made it complicated for the giveaway. So we got to figure that out, but that is coming. So hang in there. But Bitcoin's falling today because of this jobs data. So let's talk a little bit about it. The jobs report showed the U.S. economy added 142,000 jobs in August, a figure that analysts believe could open the door for a potential 25 basis point rate cut by the Federal Reserve. However, uncertainty over future economic conditions and interest rates seem to contribute to the heightened market turbulence. This isn't really saying a whole lot, but what it is saying, and what a lot of articles are saying right now, is that the data that came out with this jobs report, which was a little bit lower than expectations, is not going to get us that 0.5% rate cut that I was hoping for. That's what we've been talking about, a 0.5% rate cut. We've been hopeful for that. That's not what we're getting. So that's a little scary. The market is freaking out right now. And let's just look at this right here, and boom, guys, the odds shifted. We were at 38 or 45% for the half a basis point rate cut just yesterday, I think. And now today we're down to, we're up to 73% for just a quarter of a point. So that's probably what's going to happen. And as we've been talking about, and everybody's been talking about it. A 25 basis point rate cut is not, it's not going to be the bullish event. In fact, it turns out to be bearish. But the good news is we can kind of get this priced in now and out of the way in September. And then the news will come out in September when? Oh, I just take it out of it. It's 11 days. 11 or 13 days till the Fed rate cut is made. And then after that, I think, okay, fine, let's wrap up September and then let's get to it. Then we've got October. Then the next rate cut is in November. And at that point, you're in the midst of that presidential election. We'll have actually the results. We used to have the results in November. Who knows when we'll find out the results. But presidential election years are usually pretty good for the markets, regardless of the outcome. I think that it's going to be good for crypto no matter what. October and November are bullish, guys. So let's get the pain out of the way in September. Let's get the fear priced in, is my mindset. And that way we can look forward to the next rate cut then in November through all of October and through all of November. I like ADA. I think it's okay. I just think, that chain is weak, just like Cronos right now. But in a parabolic bull market, Sunny, yeah, ADA is probably going to do good along with all your favorite coins, even if that's Litecoin, which I don't like, right? 43 viewers, 11 likes. Got to get those likes up, guys. That is weak sauce on the likes. All love, all respect, but weak sauce on the likes, guys. Today, could we see a $50,000 Bitcoin? I think we could see it today. I think we could see it in the next couple days. I think it's very achievable. That's not a lot. That's not asking a lot for Bitcoin right now. But can we see a $40,000 Bitcoin? Analysts anticipate Bitcoin falling to $40,000 level. Again, going back to talking about the rate cuts. Bitfinex is bearish right now. Predicts Bitcoin volatility amid upcoming interest rate. Crypto exchange Bitfinex released its latest alpha market report. It offers forecasts. Labity-doodity. If we were to speculate, we would caution a 15 to 20% decline for Bitcoin when rates are cut this month. There's your bearish September. They don't say anything about October in here or November. So fine, even if we do go down to $40,000, which I don't think, a potential bottom between the low, so there really is low 50s or mid 40s. I think what's going to happen is this. This is what I think. Look at this. Guys, I told you, okay? I told you that, like, look at this band. It's a nice, beautiful, obvious band. I told you we're going to come down to these levels. I want to settle at 50. I want to date. Actually, I said 50,000 on my tweet, but I've been talking on YouTube about $52,000. I want a daily candle close above this, okay? This daily candle, I think, is probably... This might even get there. The next candle might wick lower, and we might even see this somewhere in between 46 and 50. I do not want that candle to have a close. This candle or the next daily candle. It's likely going to happen in the next 48 hours. I do not want either of these two candles to close below this level. Because if we do, then we're easily going to have some chop, some chop around here. And I'll tell you what. Then $40,000 is on the table, like that Bitfinex CEO said. Why? Why 40,000? Why 40,000? My portfolio. There's a lot of consolidation in that range, guys. There's been many times where Bitcoin's bounced all around this range. This is a long stretch of time. It's a decent stretch of time. That's like a month. That's a month of sideways chop. Right at, let's call it, let's just draw it for fun. This is right in the middle of them. 42K, boom, it's in there. We're gonna acknowledge it. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna acknowledge it. And the fact that I'm willing to come out here and acknowledge 42K right now makes me very bullish, okay? Makes me very bullish, because what I really think that we need is we need everybody in this market to capitulate. We need everybody to be so fearful. And guess what, guys? 13 likes, guys. You guys must be scared of the like button. You got 51 viewers, 13 likes. Very, very scary. You must be fearful right now. Fear and greed index right now at 30. Okay, guys, weak. That's weak. I want to share this with you. Bitcoin Magazine tweeted this out, and it's a good point. Just in, the Bitcoin fear and greed index is now at the extreme fear level. Extreme fear. 22 out of 100. And this is the, look at the chart here for Bitcoin. This is extreme fear. This is extreme fear. This was extreme fear. Extreme fear signals bottoms, okay? And extreme greed signals tops. And so I know, it's scary, so I should be scared, right? Wrong. It's scary, so I should be extremely greedy. Guys, how are you not tapping the like button right now? I mean, you're killing me. 51 people watching, 15 likes. Guys, let's get it up to 25. Do me a favor, get it up to 25 likes. I'm telling you the truth here. It's extremely fearful. You have a gift right now. You will get a continuation of a gift. If we go down to $40,000, you are getting a discount today, and you should be celebrating it. It's spectacular news. Every single bull market, guys, the total market cap has taken new highs. We have never seen a bull market out of Bitcoin where it hasn't at least 2x its previous high. And we're not even close to having seen anything of any of those sorts. We've got work to do. We've got work to do. We've got a lot of buying to be done. We got a lot of bull market left. Wendio is saying Bitcoin could go to $38,000 and I would still be bullish. She says, and you know what? When I pulled this tweet up, I disagreed with it. But now that I'm looking at these charts, she's pretty much exactly right. Because this level is not really, I mean, it's a significant level. Let's be real. If we come back down to these levels, I'd be pretty shocked. But this, and now, right now, it wouldn't really surprise me considering the pivot, the weak pivot. It's going to be a 25 basis point. This could happen. I'm not telling you it's going to happen. I'm not telling you Bitcoin's going to, don't say, CryptoKid, you said Bitcoin was going to $40,000. I'm not saying that. I'm telling you it could. I'm telling you, and I've been telling you that Bitcoin is likely going to come down to this 52K level. We could even see it down to 48. This is now looking much more likely. This is looking possible and more possible as this comes lower. And the way this becomes my target, the $40,000 level range that is if these daily candles close below this blue line. And I don't want to see that. I don't want to see it. We're doing better on the likes, by the way. You guys are at 19 likes now, 53 views. Still a little weak. You guys must not like crypto. I don't know. Maybe that's it. We're going to shut down the channel. Not enough likes. That's it. Buff Link in the chat says, what's everyone's favorite coin to buy this month in dips? Cass, Miro, Mumu. Oh, wow. You got Caspa and then 2 memes in there. Are you guys still buying memes? Happy Friday, Bonifacio. How you doing, Carlito? Good to see you in the chat. J Rem. Oh, you don't like my attitude? Oh, man. I love your attitude. Ruben, not a fan. That's okay. That's okay, Ruben. That's okay. No, I mean, look. Here's the deal, guys. You're going to see a Bitcoin. We're in a range. 52's probably coming, and you're probably going to see some wicks below that because it's not like it just stops at a certain price. I'm not really going to set my sights on $40,000 unless we see daily candles close kind of below this range. We've been trading in this range for a very, very long time. So JDM says buying until the elections are over. I don't mind that. I mean, I think personally, again, we've got a lot more bull cycle left. Let's do this again here. Let's zoom out. Somebody said I have no idea what I'm talking about. Okay, let me walk you through it. Guys. First of all, I've got a long-term vision. I don't really care about the short-term. Short-term predictions, honestly, are for traders, swing traders, day traders. I'm not doing a lot of day trading right now. I'm more of a DCA HODL guy. That's why I've got a sign right over here I could grab for you. It talks about DCA HODL, but this is what I focus on because I've been around in this market since 2016, and I very much do know what I'm talking about. From the 2015 low to the 2017 high, 1,000 days. From the 2018 low to the 2021 highs, 1,000 days. From the 2022 lows to what I believe would be the high, which would be around let's call it 1,000 days. Everything else was 1,050, 1,070 days. Let's just call it 1,000 days. That brings us to August of 2025. We have so much bull market left. It's so exciting. Right now, the fear and greed index being low, that's panic. People are panicking. I hope you're not panicking right now. I'm annoyed today. Maybe you tell it. Maybe you can tell. I'm annoyed today because if you're panicking right now, are you new to crypto? Are you brand new to the space? You know, I hope that the paper hands don't get wrecked, but paper hands always get wrecked. Looking at what's going on, look at the Ripple co-founder. Look who they endorsed. Crypto's going mainstream, guys. This could be one of the biggest bull markets yet. And if you're selling now in Rectember, before we go into the Santa rally, November, October pump, I don't know what I can do. You have a discount. Are you going to buy, let's say you're going to go skiing. You have a ski trip planned. It's 1 year away. Right now, it's the end of the summer. Maybe you should have bought it in the summer. Let's say you've got a ski trip planned for December of next year. Are you going to buy a winter coat on that ski hill when you get to that resort for a premium? Are you going to pay way too much money for a ski coat if you're going on a skiing trip on that ski hill in the resort village and you're going to pay $500 for your ski coat? Or are you going to shop at your local sporting goods store for the clearance sale summer discount because nobody's buying winter coats in the summer? The smart person buys that winter coat on a 95-degree day in the middle of the summer at a discount because they're planning ahead. The dumb guy goes to the top of the ski hill and buys all his equipment on the ski hill, where it's like buying a bathing suit off the beach in Florida. Unfortunately, way back in the day, you know, or actually, yeah, my wife and I went to a trip to Florida, and that happened. We had to buy a bathing suit in Florida on the beach. It was like $150 bathing suit for strings. Fear and greed index is low. This is a great analogy, okay? This is a great analogy. Buy your winter coat on a discount. Buy your bathing suits on a discount. Buy your Bitcoin on a discount. Don't be the guy to put $50,000 of your life savings into Bitcoin at $150,000. Be the guy to DCA in at the worst times for crypto, at the scariest times for crypto, and change your life by taking profits on the way up as you get closer to your ski trip, as you get closer to your beach vacation, as you get closer to the moon for Bitcoin, as we get closer to the bull market high. I hope you guys are listening. I hope you're paying attention. Harvey Downing would love to buy more, but booked a few holidays this month. Harvey, enjoy your holidays. Hang in there. Touch some grass. Let some sand drip through your fingers on the beach somewhere, Harvey. I love what you're doing. Just enjoy life. Bonifacio sold 20% of my portfolio at 57K. Got plenty of dry powder to buy the dip. You're at 53K. You have 53K. We could go to 40. Are you scaling in? When's your plan to scale back in? I'm not saying that was a bad plan. Actually, so far you're a genius, Bonifacio. Nelson Ortiz says, I'm listening to you like I was a 10-year-old with my eyes wide open, my ears open, and my mouth, ears and my wide open, my mouth shut. Oh my gosh. Good. Well, just trying to play the psychology of it, because we need to stay psychologically strong here. I was trying to think of a better word than strong. We need to show fortitude. JDM Yump says, sitting in the top 10% of most wallets in all major cryptos and cryptos with utility is the move, and having your keys. You know what? It's not a bad idea. Buying Bitcoin's not a bad idea. Buying Bitcoin's not a bad idea. We still got time. How many days do we have left in this bull market? Well, if it's going to last 1,000 days, and it's going to go till August, well, then we're looking at 300 something days left of this thing. So hang in there, guys. But yeah, somebody asked me, what am I buying right now? I'm buying stacks. This is such a great discount for this coin. It's unbelievable. I'm going to keep buying stacks. It's down 184% from its high that it only put in like 105 days ago. I'm so bullish on stacks. It's crazy. I know we got a lot of stacks fans in the chat. Boom, shakalaka, John 316. Man, I've got so many of these. Stop. There's so many of them. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm upset. I'm upset today. I'm frustrated. Because everybody's fearful right now. I'm talking to Mrs. Crypto Kip. They're all scared. They're all panic selling today. What's your message to the people today? What's your message to the people today? We got a baby due in 10 days. Crypto is crashing. We're losing our net worth right now. Scream something to the people. Say something. She says no. She says no. She's not nervous. She's smiling and she's chuckling and she's walking away. She's walking away from all the fuddy-dudders out there and all the fearful people. That's her statement to you guys. That's her statement to you guys. John 316 is giving you blessings, Mrs. Crypto Kip. Oh, thank you, John. Thank you, John. How low will BTC go? As low as 40K. But I think 48, again, maybe 48, I think is going to be the wick we see. Hopefully we have a daily candle close that holds above 52. That's what we're going to want to see. So, all right, guys. Well, how about that for a stream? How about that for a stream? That's all I got in this one, guys. More of a pep talk than anything. Jobs report data is kind of locking in that 0.25% rate cut. Not as much as we wanted to see, so look out below. Discounts ahead, guys. How low? Let's see if Bitcoin can hold 52K. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash like, crush that like button, smash it. Subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace, y'all.